How many ounces in a shot glass? There is no standard measure of a shot as it varies on the glass and the country you are in. But why is knowing this important? Knowing the exact measurement of a shot of alcohol means that you are well aware of the amount of liquor you are getting into your system. Before we continue, be sure to subscribe to Advanced Mixology for awesome cocktail recipes, fun facts about your favorite drinks, and bartending tips. Shot glasses are the standard measuring tool we are familiar with when drinking. Since we count every shot as one, we were made to believe that a shot glass is equal to 1 ounce of alcohol. But in reality, these small drinking glasses usually hold around 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces of liquor. In Utah, their definition of a shot is 1.5 ounces, while elsewhere in the US, a shot can range from 1.25 ounces to 1.5 ounces. How many tablespoons in a shot? If by any means you cannot find a shot glass, using a tablespoon to measure how many ounces in a shot is a good option. A tablespoon holds around 1/2 ounce of liquid. Considering the US standard size of a shot, you will need about 3 tablespoons of liquor to come up with a single shot. When a tablespoon is not around, you can also use a teaspoon as an alternative. A 1.5 ounce of liquor is equivalent to 9 teaspoons. How many milliliters in a shot? 44 is the average milliliters in a shot glass. This is the counterpart of the 1.5 ounces measurement. However, the amount can vary depending on the size of the shot glass. For a small shot glass, the liquor is around 30 milliliters. A medium-sized one is at 44 milliliters. In comparison, the larger shot glass has a total of 8 to 9 milliliters content. Things to consider when measuring how many ounces in a shot. As discussed, there is no specific answer to how many ounces in a shot glass. Here are several factors to consider when identifying the total liquid content in every shot. Shot glass size. Shot glasses come in unique sizes and styles. Because of this, the amount of liquid poured can have different measurements. Cheat glasses, for example. These shot glasses have thick and sturdy bottoms that create an illusion of a fully poured liquid. However, the glasses can only hold 2/3 of an ounce. The country you're in. Believe it or not, the country where you drink has various qualifications of how many ounces in a shot there is. As mentioned earlier, a single shot is at 1.5 ounces or 44 milliliters in the United States. In Australia, it ranges from 30 to 60 milliliters, while in Germany, the standard shot is only 20 to 40 milliliters. Check the description box below for every country's conversion of a shot. There is more to a shot glass than we think. So, the next time you look at those small glasses, we hope you consider the amount of alcohol content you might be consuming. Share your funny stories involving these small but terrible shot glasses in the comments section below.